Hey, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're just working out here, and we've got this little bridge right here, as you can see, that is across our dividing our two properties, but it crosses this dry creek. This dry creek is essentially runoff from higher elevations, and when it's not raining, there's nothing in it. And you can see we got 2 inches of rain the other day, and she's still completely dried out. But this thing is washing out a bit. It's washing out here on the side right there, and it used to wash out right here, and the previous owner had put some water mitigation stuff in here, i.e. big truck tires. Now on this side it was really bad apparently, and got a lot of concrete block and some bags of concrete, and it looks like it has slowed things down from the sides, but what that's causing is all the water to come down here on the top of the road somehow, and we've even got exposed tree roots right here. We've also got a little washout right in this area right here that we're gonna have to do something about. And I know it all starts from uphill, and we've got this sloping land here, and you can see right there should be a way for the water to come off to the side of the property, and we're going to be doing some dirt work in here and trying to get things to slope better. As it comes down this hill, it's going to slope down and back into its original intended area here at the side, and we'll shore up the side of the bridge here. But what we got to do right now is fix this bridge and put some soil back on it, because it's disappearing quickly, and we need to take care of that. It's even disappearing here on the other side. So you can see there's a low point in the property, and it also rises up onto the other piece of property here. I call it two different properties. I mean, I own the whole thing, but it's separated by that fence and this creek. So, and this huge stand of trees. So essentially, it's two big pieces of property. We've also got an issue here where on this side of this terribly constructed wall here that needs to be redone, it's washing out also right here. So I had my buddy who owns his own dump truck get me this. I think this is 15 yards, I think he got in there, maybe 14 yards, give or take, of East Texas red dirt, mixture of clay, really a lot of iron in it. And if you live in the South, you know what this stuff looks like. So we are going to move this, build up our bridge a little bit, crown it on the top, and see if we can't get that water to go somewhere else and not down the center of my bridge washing it out. Well, there she is, folks. I'm not the best heavy equipment operator in the world. I tried to give it a little crown and bring it up to a level as to where this ground, it wouldn't run down, so this is graded up, and the same with the other side. As it comes down, it comes back up to, I guess you could say, a point in the middle. And then we tried to push off some off the side here, as you can see. So as it comes down the hill here, it'll hit and hopefully go this way. instead of over my bridge. Luckily, still got some dirt left, so if I need to make any repairs or additions, then I can do so. And that's pretty much it for this project for the day. I'm happy to get this done, and I'll tell you, it is extremely helpful to know somebody with a dump truck, and here's why. This 15 yards of dirt here, if I would have bought that at a landscape company and had them deliver it, it probably would have cost me, I'd say, give or take 20 bucks a yard, depending on where in the country you live. That's East Texas prices. 20 bucks a yard plus delivery fee for us. Knowing that is about $60 to $70 because we had wood chips delivered. That cost me, with my buddy and giving him some money, gas money and work money, 60 bucks. It was 40 bucks at the local dirt pit. So if you have a friend, use them, hire them. It's very economical. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and it's just our work day today. I'd love to have you here on the channel if you're new to the channel, and all my subscribers, hey, get out there, spread the word. We are here to stay, and we're giving you some good info, and we appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we will see you on the next video.